Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to get unbanned on ReviewQuasar. If your ReviewQuasar account is banned, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue. You can wait for the countdown timer to expire. Avoid using unofficial apps or violating WhatsApp's terms during this period. So just delete the ReviewQuasar and wait for it. Now, all you have to do is visit the WhatsApp support page, fill out the form with your phone number, including country code and a brief explanation of the issue. Just acknowledge any mistakes, for example using modded apps or spamming. Assure them you now understand the terms of service and will comply moving forward. Avoid lying or using excuses like "I didn't do it," as honesty increases your chances. And that's it guys, WhatsApp will typically respond within 24 to 48 hours. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.